Hey everyone, I'm starting a vlog, or it's not really a vlog, it's more of a progression, I guess, documentation. I'm actually building a new a bicycle, a chopper bicycle. So for those who doesn't know what chopper bicycles are, well, they're like these Harley Davidson motorcycles, the old school ones. Only they're bikes. They don't have motor. They're just bikes. So I'm really new to building bikes, and this is actually the fourth one. Technically, it's the fifth. Just documenting my progress and my designs. I'll probably upload my early builds on the second video. So I'm actually influenced by my friends back in high school. They come by my house and they ride this all chromed lowrider bicycles, and I remember two of them having this Schwinn Stingray chopper bicycle, and I'm a really big fan of those. Unfortunately, they're rare in my country. You have to buy them online and have to pay for the shipping. So most bicycle builders here, they just make them from scratch. So most of us here are fabricating parts, and it's mostly frames and forks. So yeah, I'm documenting my fourth or my fifth design. It's not, well, technically it's not from scratch, because I will be reinventing an existing frame. So hopefully you guys enjoy and share your thoughts.